Greetings one and all, cheers to everybody. Today we're going to be doing another installment of Canteen Cup cooking. So I've got my canteen right here with lid. We're going to be doing a cup of beef and barley soup, so stay tuned. Alright, let's talk about ingredients real quick. So first of all, we have Quick Barley by Quaker. Cooks in 10 minutes. Found this at JBLM. We have roast beef, fully cooked. I bought this at Walmart. It was like $2.78. Sorry, I forgot how much I paid for these. These were actually a gift from one of my subscribers. It's some dehydrated peas, some dehydrated carrots, and then I have some, also from Walmart, some beef bouillon cubes. And of course I have some salt, pepper, and a few other spices. Okay, so the original recipe, or at least on the box, for 3 servings, it says 2 cups of water. So I got my measuring cup right here. I need to go get my bouillon. So I'm going to go ahead and get the stove fired up. Put these cubes in the water. These are just little it will open. And there we go. That's one. That's 2. Those are kind of stubborn. Get that to boiling. Yikes. Do a quick check on the water. What I'm going to do, put the simmering on so it doesn't get too blazing hot. Okay. should have had this boiling before I put the simmer ring on. But at the same time, I didn't want all the fuel to burn up on me before it was done, so. Come back. Alright, so the water is just starting to boil. Throw in some carrots. Throw in some peas. And there's 1 cup of barley. It doesn't want to come out of the box. So 1 cup of barley. That says 10 minutes on the package, so I'll put the simmer ring on. Check the time, it is 1:22. Alright. She's boiling away. I don't really want to close the simmering anymore because it's boiling away pretty good. So, but I wouldn't say it was a super hard boil. And it's been about 5 minutes, so. Alright, so while it's cooking, throw in some salt, just 1. Got my little spice kit here. Yeah, I really should have labeled these when I put them in here. I think that's seasoning salt. Well, I just put salt in there, so maybe not a lot. And then my granulated garlic. Give it a stir. Thickened up pretty well. All the vegetables and the barley, soaked up all the moisture. So we're about at the 10-minute mark. I need to get this can open. Actually, I want to save all this juice. Juice has a lot of flavor. Open Alright. So here's what the beef looks like. I don't want to dump all this water in there, but as I suspected, it's the can is majority. You know, it's like, I don't know, at least a third of the can is just is the broth. So that's all the broth I had left. Hope you can see that. Give this a stir. I'll try to without spilling it everywhere. Still got heat from the Trangia, still putting heat out. That's a good sign. All I really want to do at this point is just bring it back up to a boil and make sure all the meat is hot. So I'm going to pull the simmer ring. Give it a good, bring it up to a boil, and then soup's on. And I really maxed out the capacity of this canteen. I think if I was going to do this next time, I would do half a cup of barley and then only 1.5 cups of water. That way I wouldn't have to, I wouldn't lose as much liquid, because it's still just a soup. And I wouldn't have to worry about it being as full as it is. Alright, let's take a look. She's got a nice bubble. I'm going to go ahead and call it. There we go. Nice hearty cup of soup. Alrighty. See how this soup tastes. So here's the roast beef with the barley. No, that's not bad. To be perfectly honest with you, it's the first time I've ever cooked it. So I want to Fernbark it, so get a big bite of beef with vegetables. Not supposed to cook through all the way, but they have just like the slightest bit of crunch to them, which I like. And I made some Johnny cakes that didn't turn out as well as I thought. So It tastes okay though. But it don't look very good. I gotta say, not bad. Okay, so I've been sitting here I sent a few text messages out to my buddy Anonymous Dave in Fernbark to let him know I made it. But I was thinking about, changes I would make for next time. So the first thing I would have done is for the canteen, half the barley. So instead of a full cup, just do a half a cup. The amount of vegetables is good. I mean, I didn't even measure, I just eyeballed. So I could put, and because I put them all in the same time, I know I can just, in this little zip top bag, I could put the barley, the carrots and peas in there together. So that would be a lot less, because I mean, I've been sitting here eating on this and I'm only halfway through it, so it's a lot of food. I don't know if I'll be able to finish it, to be honest. For the water, I'd probably go ahead and still use the 2 cups, or maybe use a cup and a half, because there was a lot of water in the roast beef. Honestly, this is not the preferred beef that I would bring, but I looked all over for a smaller can, I just couldn't find one. I didn't put it in a pouch, so yes, it's heavy, but there's a lot of food. But then again, if you were making this for 2 people, this could feed 2 people pretty easy. If you had a couple of Stanley cups, you could really easily do this for 2 with the amount I made, which I don't know if I'll be able to even finish this. Because I've been over here snacking on a little bit of Johnny cakes too. So, quite a bit of food. Of course, you can add more things to it. You could have added onion, you could have added celery, you could have added whatever you want. Broccoli. Sky's the limit. Barley tastes good. The 2 bouillon cubes was a big help. So I just saw a recipe on the side of the box for the barley that I might give it. I might try that. So just because I'm curious to see how it comes out. But it tastes good. I mean, it's a hearty meal for a cool day. Fall is definitely a good soup time of year. Warm up your insides. You're getting all that beefy broth that you can drink. So yeah, I think definitely less barley next time and more. I don't know if I'd necessarily go with much more. Pepper would have been good. I do actually have some. I forgot to grab it. So I might do this again and alter it. So as always, thanks for watching. I appreciate your view. If you have any questions, comments, put them down below and let me ask away or comment away. All right, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.